What's poppin', you guys? It's your girl, the SASS, exploring all the finer things in life. And today, I'm taking you guys back to Niagara Falls to explore Fleurs De Villes. I think I'm saying that right. Fleursdevilles. Right before we get into all of that, don't forget to show me some love by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. So for those who don't know, Fleursdevilles is different floral installations made by different floral companies and florists that has came together to show off their wonderful floral talents. And what's so amazing about this event is that it's free. So there's about over 20 floral installations all around Niagara, and I'm hoping to take you guys to see all of them, but I'm not making any promises. All right guys, let's not waste any more time because there's lots to see and I want y'all to come with me. So let's go! Alright guys, coming in at number 1 is this beautiful Marilyn Monroe installation. This installation was created by the Florum and this is located at the Ramblers Rest. Look how they have my girl Marilyn dressed in this beautiful rose gown, honey. Love it. Installation number 2 is Floral Railings and Stairs. And this installation was created by Feeder Flowers Farm. This is installation number 4, which is Queen Victoria Mannequin, created by the Village Flower. How beautiful is she? Look how they have my girl Victoria set up in the crown, honey, like the queen she is. Installation number 5 is also created by the Village Flower. This is the Bell Media phone booth. Coming in at number 6 is this gorgeous orange floral hoop. This was created by Petals, Florals, Designs, and Staging. This installation is in remembrance of the residential school children. That was really cool for them to do that. Shout out to Petals Florals, y'all. I actually ended up taking a different direction, so I skipped number 7, number 8, but here at number 9, we have Maiden of the Mist Mannequin. This installation was by Petrullo Floral Design Studio. I hope I'm saying that right, Petrullo. This is the Floral Rainbow right at the falls, and this was created by Lena's Floral Design. OMG, y'all. This installation is one of my favorites. I couldn't find installation number 11, but coming in at number 12 is Three Sisters Indigenous Mannequin. This installation is right in front of Niagara Park's power station. Installation number 14 is this fresh floral mailbox, okay? I actually wish they did a little bit more with this installation and made it more easier for everyone to see the mailbox because you couldn't really see it because all the beautiful flowers were like hiding it, honey. Coming in at number 15 is this floral Skylon Tower. This installation was done by the same person who did the previous installation, but this one was way better. They went in, honey. I loved this one. This was so creative. Coming in at number 17 is this gorgeous floral wreath, okay? And there's just one. This is pretty much just it. I'm almost for certain this is number 18, which is the Floral Forest Trail. Coming in at number 19 is this swinging mannequin created by Von Marl Floral Boutique. Look how they have my girl dressed up in like this red leafy mesh top, honey. Like gorgeous. And if you look closely at the bottom, they added red peppers, y'all. They have my girl flaming hot. Just look at the material. Coming in at number 20, created by the Watering Can, honey. This is the Floral Patio Benches. Now I gotta say, I love how they incorporated the sunflowers and the yellow roses together. It looks really good, really good. Now I will say I was never a fan of Bird of Paradise, but after seeing this installation from the Watering Can, honey, like I'm a fan. Like I love how they put all the Bird of Paradise together, incorporated with other flowers as well. Like I'm a fan. This is installation number 21, also created by the Watering Can. This is the Floral Fountain. Created by Jupiter Floral Studio. Coming in at number 23 is the Floral Swing. Anything with a swing added with florals, count me in, honey. I'm here for it. Coming in at number 24 is this gorgeous Floral Hearts created by Beau Floral. Man, I'm telling you, they knew what they were doing when they installed this installation, honey. They had this displayed right in front of the fountains and it looked gorgeous. Coming in at number 25, created by Bellas and Blooms, we have this floral maple leaf. I love how they dedicated one of the installations to the maple leaves. Shout out to them, honey. Coming in at number 26 is the Rainbow Mannequin, located right inside the Hilton Hotel, okay? And this installation was created by Crescent Garden Floral. Now I will say I love how over the top they went with this installation. Like the extraness, everything. I am loving it. The detail, everything. Coming in at number 28 is Vinnie's Floral Bike, okay? Nothing really extravagant about this, but it's really elegant. Sometimes less is more, and it's really cute. Love it. Coming in at number 29 is Zappy's Floral Tomato Truck. I really wish they did more with this installation. I feel like they could have went more over the top, added more red roses. However, sometimes people feel less is more. And yeah, so this is what's up, number 29. Coming in at number 30 is Floral Benches and Baskets. This installation was located right outside the Comfort Inn. I love everything about this installation. I love how they incorporated the purple and pink flowers together. However, I wish they had more baskets. You just see the one basket at the side, and I want to see more. Installation number 31, 32 is created by the same company, Urban Jungle. I really love how they added the big tropical leaf to mannequin number 2, and I wish they had put way more. Coming in at number 33 is the Bride Mannequin. This is created by Sundstrom's Florist. This installation was beautiful, nice, elegant, and they were smart enough to put it right under this beautiful chandelier honey. This was such a great idea. Coming in at number 34 by Yearn to Earn is this Floral Bear. I gotta be honest, this one wasn't my all-time favorite. I feel like there wasn't enough floral going on. I do like the floral hat on the bear, but I need more floral. I need more extraness. Installation number 35 is this fresh floral bench. This was created by Bloom & Co. I will say this is a very cute setup. Again, I would have loved to see a little bit more around the bench, but I do like those little fan looking flowers. Last but not least, coming in at 36, the last installation is also by Bloom & Co., which is called the Floral Staircase. Alright y'all, we are at the end of this video. These are all the installation I can find, which is 29 out of 36, which is not too bad, not too bad. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for all the love and the support, and I will see you in my next video.